Welcome to Science Decoded, where we uncover the most incredible mysteries of our universe. Today, we're exploring a fascinating question. Which planet is the most dangerous in our solar system? Is it the scorching surface of Mercury, the crushing atmosphere of Venus, or the giant storms of Jupiter? Let's discover the scientific answer. Number 1. What makes a planet dangerous? When people think of dangerous planets, they usually imagine explosions, monsters, or giant asteroids. But the real dangers are far more terrifying. Scientists measure danger through extreme temperatures, crushing atmospheric pressure, toxic gases, powerful radiation, violent storms, and overwhelming gravity. Some planets could kill a human in seconds, while others would slowly destroy spacecraft over time. As we journey across the solar system, we'll discover that beauty doesn't always mean safety, and the most dangerous world might not be the one you expect. Number 2. Mercury, a world of extremes. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. During the day, surface temperatures can soar to around 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Yet because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, nighttime temperatures plunge to nearly minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's a temperature swing of more than 600 degrees. Solar radiation bombards the planet constantly, and without air to breathe or weather to soften its environment, Mercury becomes one of the harshest places in the solar system. Number 3. Venus, the planet that became hell. Although Mercury is closest to the Sun, Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system. Its thick atmosphere traps heat through an extreme greenhouse effect, pushing surface temperatures to approximately 462 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But heat isn't its only danger. Atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 90 times greater than Earth's, enough to crush an unprotected human instantly. Above the surface, clouds of sulfuric acid drift through the sky, creating one of the most hostile environments ever discovered. Number 4. A planet that destroys spacecraft. Venus isn't just deadly for humans. It has defeated some of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. Several robotic spacecraft have landed on its surface, but most survived for only a short time before the crushing pressure and extreme heat destroyed their electronics. Imagine operating inside an industrial oven while being crushed beneath the weight of nearly 1 kilometer of ocean. That's the environment every spacecraft must endure. Venus doesn't merely challenge exploration, it relentlessly destroys nearly everything that reaches its surface. Number 5. Mars, beautiful but deadly. At first glance, Mars seems like humanity's best hope for another home. It has mountains, valleys, polar ice caps, and seasons. But beneath its beauty lies a deadly environment. The atmosphere is over 95% carbon dioxide and less than 1% as dense as Earth's, making it impossible to breathe. With no global magnetic field, dangerous cosmic radiation constantly bombards the surface. Massive dust storms can engulf the entire planet for months, reducing visibility to almost nothing and threatening future human missions. Number 6. Jupiter, the giant monster. If Venus is the hottest planet, Jupiter is the most powerful giant. With a diameter nearly 11 times larger than Earth's, it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside its enormous volume. But Jupiter has no solid surface. Descending into its atmosphere would mean facing crushing pressure that increases endlessly until even the strongest spacecraft would be destroyed. Surrounding the planet is an intense radiation field, powerful enough to damage electronics and deliver fatal doses to astronauts within a very short time. Number 7. The largest storm in the solar system. Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot is the largest storm ever observed in our solar system. This enormous hurricane has been raging continuously for at least 350 years. It's so large that Earth could fit inside it. Winds can exceed 600 kilometers per hour, creating one of the most violent weather systems known. Although the storm has slowly been shrinking over recent decades, it remains a breathtaking reminder that Jupiter is a world dominated by unimaginable atmospheric power. Number 8. Saturn, beautiful but unforgiving. Saturn is often called the jewel of the solar system because of its spectacular rings. Yet beneath that beauty lies another gas giant with no solid surface. Like Jupiter, Saturn's atmosphere becomes increasingly hot and dense as you descend. Powerful winds can reach nearly 1,800 kilometers per hour, while immense pressure would eventually crush any spacecraft. Even its breathtaking rings are made of billions of icy particles traveling at incredible speeds, making close navigation extremely dangerous. Number 9. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. Far beyond Saturn lie Uranus and Neptune, the mysterious ice giants. Their freezing temperatures might seem peaceful, but appearances are deceiving. Neptune experiences the fastest winds ever recorded in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Uranus is equally hostile, with temperatures dropping below -220 degrees Celsius. Combined with crushing atmospheric pressure and toxic gases, these distant worlds remain among the most extreme environments ever explored. Number 10. Which planet is actually the most dangerous? After exploring every major planet, one world stands above the rest. Surprisingly, the title doesn't belong to Jupiter or Mercury. It belongs to Venus. Its surface temperature reaches approximately 462 degrees Celsius, making it hotter than Mercury despite being farther from the sun. The atmosphere is nearly 90 times denser than Earth's, enough to crush a human instantly. Add sulfuric acid clouds, toxic gases, and volcanic activity, and Venus becomes the most hostile planet in our solar system, a true planetary hell unlike anywhere else. The solar system is filled with breathtaking beauty, but also unimaginable danger. Scorching temperatures, crushing pressure, toxic atmospheres, endless storms, and powerful radiation remind us that life is incredibly rare. Every mission to these distant worlds teaches us not only about other planets, but also about our own. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that among all the extraordinary planets orbiting our sun, Earth is still the safest and most remarkable place we've ever discovered. Thank you for watching Science Decoded. If you enjoyed this journey across the most dangerous worlds in our solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Which planet surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and keep decoding science.